So guys, today we're at Titi Batu. Titi Batu?
Titi?
Batu? Titi Batu? Came here briefly before. It's a gym, wellness centre, and also has a skate park. We're going to have a bit of a skate. We're actually going to go to the gym. We've had a big breakfast, need to burn some of that stuff off.
There's some tacos and some nachos.
We've got a swimming pool, basketball court, ping pong table, squash room, gym.
Little sauna area.
And yeah, we're just going to spend the day here.
We're going to film all of it for you guys.
Film all of it, yeah.
Yeah.
Our wristbands.
How much was it? 350.
350,000 Indonesian rupiah for 2 people.
Yeah,
about
includes
50.
Everything, all facilities, right?
Gym, skate park, swimming pool, sauna,
basketball.
And you get 25k food vouchers too.
I thought it was 50k.
It's 50k together.
Oh, okay, okay.
How have you find the skate park, Sabrina's?
It's been really good actually. I've been pumping on the ramps, which I'm normally too much of a wuss to do.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was really fun. I just did it back and forth for like ages, didn't I?
Yeah.
I think before I just wasn't putting my feet on the bolts. But yeah, this is a really good ramp to like learn it on.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a few ollies here and there.
Yeah, learning your ollies down, yeah.
Trying to get those down. Hopefully I can do one properly while moving.
That'd be good, wouldn't it?
That's a goal. How's your skate been then?
Sweaty. Yeah, I've been having a good skate. I'm getting back into it more and more every time I come. You know, every single time I feel like way more confident in skating.
Yeah, you've been floating around like a butterfly today, haven't you?
Yeah, I've had a lot of fun. But I think we're gonna go swim, aren't we? Go for a little swim to cool
down in the pool.
Maybe play a bit of b-ball.
Ping pong. And then finally we're probably going to go to the gym. But we're still achy from...
the gym the other day.
Yeah, we went 2 days ago I think, or 3 days ago.
So we changed into our Sunday best.
Yes.
We're at the pool, this is the view. Absolutely lovely.
Paradise.
We've just ordered, so they do a lot of food here. They do a lot of drinks, do smoothies, protein shakes obviously because of the gym.
Mixed
juices, do tea, coffee, cocktails, beer.
More refreshing drink.
More refreshing drink.
Virgin mojitos.
Virgin mojitos if you're a bit of a wimp.
Wines. Cocktails and beers.
They do a lot of Western food. They also do like high protein bowls, don't they?
Smoothie bowls. They do loads of like wraps and sandwiches.
And burgers and tacos.
And they even do sushi rolls. Nasi goreng.
Bibimbap.
Yeah, they do grilled jerk chicken.
How about, what did we get then?
So we both got a large water.
Yeah.
And we also got a tropical haze, which has blueberries, pineapple, banana, dragon fruit, lime, honey, almond milk and bee pollen.
Didn't even notice the bee pollen, did you?
I did, yeah.
Oh.
But I don't know
what the hell that is.
No. Unless it's just honey, but...
And then yeah, we just go chill out by the pool, maybe get our tan on a little bit if the sun comes over this way, which I don't think it's going to. We want to try a backflip off that diving board just there, which is actually a lot bigger than it looks on the camera.
Oh, this is super deep as well.
It's about 7 foot, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's another pool down there as well, which I think you saw earlier.
Yeah, we're just going to have a little relaxing time and then...
have a dip.
Maybe we'll go to the gym, maybe we'll have a skate before the gym. Who knows, but we'll show you. Not ready for the flip. just yet. That was a big splash. Oh, thank you so much. So Anthony just almost fell into the pool.
I'm trying to help her with the drink.
Yep. What's it like?
Wonderful. You can really taste the bee pollen.
Oh, that is so good. Yum. I don't know what that was, but...
Too scared.
You a chicken? Go and
have a little bit more of a skate.
Have more of a skate, yeah, and then we're gonna go to the gym for a little bit, then we're gonna go get some food. Yeah, some early dinner, because this place shuts at 8 PM.
Yeah.
Because there's still COVID restrictions.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, see how well we're doing in the gym, because we're not dead from the other day, aren't we?
We put on weight more than we lose it, let's face it. Me and Sabrina are going to play a bit of basketball. Don't think you're going to see anything absolutely.
No, LeBron James over here.
There's not going to be any decent basketball playing at all, because we are both terrible.
Oh, damn.
Come on, boy. Go on, go on, go on, go on. Dribble it. Ah! Yes! Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Oops.
That would have been... Did it go in?
Okay, we're going to have to slow-mo that one, because we're not quite convinced, are we? That it
yeah, I didn't actually see it in person. I was looking through the GoPro.
Yeah, and I did see it in person, but now, I don't know.
Don't know.
Yes!
I'm
the basketball king! To the gym. Look how beautiful this place looks. Looks so sick, doesn't it?
Yeah, man. Super nice.
Gymming.
Right, pop it. Yeah. On the lowest weight.
I know. We are done in the gym.
We're don't know, this is a gym.
We're not big gym people, are we really?
No,
But we did a bit of running.
20 minutes running and then a bit of arm and back stuff.
And now we're going to eat.
Yeah, we've got about 45 minutes, so yeah, better get a wriggle on.
So for any skateboarders out there, it's all lit up. Not very well lit up, but it's lit up at night time. The basketball court is also lit up at night time. Thought I'd give you a little bit of information while I'm waiting for my food. It's 100,000 to get in, that's around £5, maybe about 7 USD. For the gym as well, it's an extra 75,000 on top of that. You get to stay here all day, 8 till 8. I'm not too sure if that's their regular opening times or just during COVID. I'm not 100% sure. They've also got a restaurant, and as you saw, ping pong tables, squash room. We don't have any rackets. We've got some really nice pools. This is all open. Everything looks really nice at night time. Private beds. You got to reserve the beds. Not 100% sure. So cool. You see there, you've got the gym, which you saw earlier. This is the restaurant. Got some day beds all around here. Cool lights. And you've got Sabrina.
Some complimentary popcorn.
What do we got for dinner?
We have got a Cajun chicken pizza.
Asian chicken pizza. It's weird.
Spicy.
It's weird because the pizzas are massive, well, they're pretty big, and they're the cheapest thing on the menu.
45k? Was it or a little bit
65,
more? 65,
which is about £3, £3.50, maybe something like that. £3.25. Yeah, it's a good size. You've got to pay for mayonnaise. Not a fan of that deal at all, man.
Quite a large pot of mayonnaise though.
It is.
My tag, but
I made sure to finish every single last drop of it because I thought if I'm paying, I'm going to pay once and I'm going to make sure I'm get my mayo craving.
Finger in there and all. Just joking.
Yeah. Got some Cokes. How have you found today?
Super nice, super relaxing, very sweaty. It was quite cast over today, so it wasn't as hot when we were like skateboarding and stuff like that, but I had a really good time.
Cast over.
Cast over.
Overcast.
English. But yeah, no, it was a really nice day. Didn't get to work out in the gym for that long, but
Who
we
cares?
just spent it in the pool and like skateboarding, which we prefer doing anyway, so yeah, it's always
As broad
enough
as it's
time.
long, isn't it?
Exactly. Next time we'll just come earlier because it opens at 8 a.m.
Does.
Got there at like 12, so you know, plenty more occasions.
C'est la vie.
C'est la vie.
Fantastic.
Oh, and you gotta eat the feed. You gotta do the feed. Hello.
Now we've got the pizza, we've got the doggo waiting. No, it's okay. Don't worry. It's okay, don't worry, don't worry.
We don't mind. So yeah, Cajun chicken with avocado.
Avocado. There's the mayo.
There's the mayo.
The most
yeah.
important part of
Your
any meal.
favourite. Have it with everything, don't you? As well as a roast dinner.
Roast dinner I could. I could even have it with a soup.
With a soup. Pretend it's sour cream.
Have a bite, let me know what you
I think
think.
it's just gonna be hot.
It's gonna be hot, hot. Oh, go on.
Oh yeah. Oops.
Avocado, I didn't even know I had avocado like this one. Oh, there goes the avocado. Is it really hot? Is it hot?
Yeah.
You haven't burnt your mouth with that? What was it like? Nice?
Really good.
Really good.
Really good.
Really good.
Not too spicy.
No?
I'm gonna eat that anyway.
It's avocado like
5-second rule.
10, I think
Really
that probably
soft. Really soft.
No.
Really tasty.
Good.
I'd have this again.
Yeah, cool. We haven't eaten it yet. I'll have it again when we haven't eaten it. Feeding, I can't. It's got cheese and bloody spicy chicken. You're an opportunist, aren't you?
Yeah. We're gonna have to. We're gonna have to refuel the bike and get the hell out of Ubud. Am I right?
Get the hell out of Dodge.
Yeah. He's like, how dare you?
Thanks,
Bye. Thank you. See you. Put it off. Okay.
Cool guys, that's us done for the day. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, that is a wrap. We're about to head back to Seminyak now.
It's about an hour and a half drive.
Yeah, so...
Like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
Hope you enjoyed.
Bye.
Bye.